Introduction to Uniswap SDK setup. Uniswap is a popular decentralized exchange protocol that enables users to trade cryptocurrencies in a trustless and permissionless manner. The Uniswap SDK setup is a software development kit that allows developers to integrate Uniswap functionality into their applications. When to use Uniswap SDK setup. The Uniswap SDK setup is ideal for developers who want to build decentralized applications that require liquidity provision, token swapping, and other Uniswap features. It is particularly useful for applications that need to interact with the Uniswap protocol programmatically, such as decentralized finance platforms, wallets, and trading bots. Key concepts. Before setting up the Uniswap SDK, it is essential to understand some key concepts, including the Uniswap protocol, Ethereum blockchain, and smart contracts. Developers should also be familiar with programming languages such as JavaScript and Solidity. Practical examples. To illustrate the usage of the Uniswap SDK setup, consider a decentralized finance platform that wants to enable users to swap tokens. The platform can use the Uniswap SDK to connect to the Uniswap protocol, retrieve liquidity pool data, and execute token swaps on behalf of users. Best practices. When setting up the Uniswap SDK, developers should follow best practices, such as handling errors and exceptions properly, implementing robust security measures, and optimizing gas costs. It is also crucial to test and debug the integration thoroughly to ensure it works as expected. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Uniswap SDK setup is a powerful tool for developers who want to build decentralized applications that interact with the Uniswap protocol. By understanding the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices, developers can successfully integrate the Uniswap SDK into their applications and provide a seamless user experience.